What's the Gaelic for stranger things?
Bun-Os-Cionn.
There are several different words for strange or unusual in Gaelic. They all have slightly different meanings as well.
Anasach, Nionach, Minadarach. Many of the words also mean exotic or foreign, such as Kuivach, Kuigrach, Alvarach, Galte, Ugi Chuivach. To make an adjective comparative, place nas at the front and then slenderize after the last vowel. Nionach, nas nioniche. Anasach, nas anasiche. Minadarach, nas minadariche. Bun-Os-Cionn. The Gaelic for a stranger. Coigrach, stranger.
Barbelvocht.